Hello and welcome. I have an amazing opportunity for you today that you don't want to miss. In this video, I'll show you how to get the PostgreSQL and MS SQL for Beginners course 100% free. This course will introduce you to the basics of two popular databases, PostgreSQL and MS SQL, and help you enhance your database management skills. The PostgreSQL and MS SQL for Beginners course, which is priced at around €12 with a 40% discount from Udemy, I've made it completely free for you. Yes, you heard that right. You can get this amazing course without any cost, just with a few simple clicks, and take your database management skills to the next level. First, open your browser and type gotodiscounts.com in the search bar. Then, click on the first link that appears to be directed to the website. Make sure you type gotodiscounts.com exactly to be directed to the correct page. On the homepage of gotodiscounts.com, there are various categories. Choose the relevant category to find the course you're looking for. In the page that opens, the courses related to the category we selected will be displayed, including the course we're looking for. Simply click on the course link to be directed to its page. The course page will open, providing details such as the discount and its expiration date. Make sure to check the expiration date to take advantage of the discount. To access the discount, simply scroll down the page and click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you can see, I got this course completely free through gotodiscounts.com. However, this discount is temporary and only lasts for 3 more days. So hurry up and grab the course for free before the offer ends. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Join our community to stay updated on the latest discounts and free courses.